Penny is ready to be drifted again. We're back out here, 600+ Plains. Feeling good about this one. What are we, 3rd round in? And we'll see how much I can stuff it up or how much I've learnt, basically. Car's ready to go. Got fresh tyres on the back. Matt's running the show, getting his SS here. Wouldn't start this morning. Whereas this one, absolute gem. On the trailer, what do we do? Change oil, that's all we had to do. Where's your car?
Sam's doing scrutiny.
Ah, he's actually that late. He's an hour and a half late. He got his car going. What time you call this, mate?
Briefing's on, eh?
On a scale of 1 to nervous, how were you about getting your car going?
Oh, I thought you were messing with me for sure. I wasn't happy about it.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
Not right.
It's all booked out. We got all the drivers in this. So there's, I think, 80 cars maybe. Same schedule as last time, practice, open track type thing till qualifying. There is a sweeper slayer, they call it, the big sweeper. You'll see the corner. Should be a good day. We'll let it warm up a little bit.
Oh, it's way slippier than I expected.
New tyres are slippery!
Oh, good. There's like no commitment.
What are you doing? So I'm following the guy that won last round. This will be good.
What are we doing over here? Hey, the track's over there, man.
Second's too slow. Second is too slow.
Oh, goodness. Not the 31. No! Come on.
First drift a day for Jordan.
Drifting.
Never drifted before, similar to what we were. He's now part of the car because one of the fellas couldn't make it. He's got twins. Props to everyone who makes all that work with twins, two of them at the same young age. So we got him a ticket, pumped him up, warm, saying this way and then the other way. It's a bit awkward.
He's lurking.
That's a handful, you say?
Take some wheeling.
He said he's never driven a Nissan.
Get me back in the
Maybe a patrol. But good first drive, mate.
Starting off, we got Dan driving. We got young Mackie passenger in.
Mackie commentating.
Yep. What's your plan for this run, Dan? Just gonna feel her out, take your tips on board.
We're definitely gonna just feel it, make a few adjustments, come back to it.
Dan definitely did just stuff up and crash the combi.
Yeah. It's not called a crash in drift, it's called a tag. I've been doing this for a while, Mackie.
We've been drifting for a while.
Very lurchy. good for the diff.
What's the plan this time, Dan?
We're going to hit this corner, the first corner.
Hey, deadlift! Hey, them! Oh, yeah! You dog! Dog! Yeah, boy! Is this power cruise?
Yes! Surely wide, yeah.
Yeah! That commie's rolling on us! Oh, hold it down! Oh, we're in hot! We're in dead! It's doing it! It's doing it!
It wants it. It wants it. We full drive.
Yeah, boy! And back into it!
You didn't hit the wall, mate.
No wall.
You did well. Do you reckon it's better with the sway bar?
Yeah, I reckon we've got to let air out the tyres because when you back it into something, keep going backwards.
Okay, not enough drive.
No, it's got to grip and drive you forward.
That was the fun one. We were struggling to keep it run together though.
Yeah, none of this is doing it.
I was getting out of fuel. There's none in there, if you can see. There's none in there. Wow, we're hard on this big girl. Got me little mate here, Jackson. Wanted to be on camera. Are you good? Do you like race cars? What do race cars do? I believe we're having lunch, so we're waiting a little bit. G'day, mate. Penny's feeling good. We've gone through like 60 litres of fuel already. But I think we're all feeling better, so that's good. Hey.
Is that the one we were on? See, that's...
It hasn't been loose.
Let's try it.
Is it the one we're on?
I feel like it is.
Hang on a sec.
Quick maintenance on the Penny.
Yeah, definitely.
One of the ball joints is loose. One of the wheel nuts is loose, Dan reckons.
One? Oh, look at this one.
Are they all shagged?
Disco oval hole.
Oh, that's really bad. Let's see if they do up tight.
Oh, they'll do tight.
What's it going to do? Fall off?
They already like it. Isn't that the cracked one anyway?
One of them is.
It had a loose ball joint on the bottom, and one of the caster arms, the bush was let go, like a 40-year-old bush that would never change. So fix that with some more bush, and we're ready to go. Yeah, some more metal bush. It's tight now, it's real tight. Onto the sweeper slayer now, apparently. Main big corner, looks pretty quick. I think I was wrong with where the sweeper slayer is. It's not the big corner out of the hairpin, even though I thought that was the sweeper. It's the second last corner. Let me zoom in here. It's the second last corner of the track, and then we got this last corner here. And then that shoots all the way down the front straight. So I assume they want us to come in sideways. I don't know if they want a full drift from that corner to this one. Probably do, with enough pace. And then bring that around the whole way to the straight. Which then, you could link up to the hump to start the full drift run if you wanted. So, Dan's up first, and Pintara's looking the goods. Yeah, boy. That's sick. He's still going. Can't even see him. Yeah, that's legit. That's good. And the SS, Matty Dua. Dan's pretty sideways. Yeah, Dan. He must be on the brake. Load her up, Dan. Is it calm? Nah. Oh, it is. It's doing well. They have kicked us off the track. Must be out of time. Oh, that was worth it. I'm feeling way better in the car. The hairpin I finally got, that was pretty sick. Practice is going well, car's feeling good. Flat. I mean, I hit the ripple strip, but that was that side.
Oh no. Bobby's broken it.
You driving? He's going very slow.
What do you reckon he's done?
He's hard on the gear, man.
He's hard on the gear. Sam? Yeah.
Can't take him anywhere.
You can't take him anywhere.
What a show. So I've managed to bend another tie rod. Oh,
Bobby's hard on the gear.
man, oh man. Wasn't a good qualifier. Didn't really hit anything on this side. Got air on the other side.
Yeah,
We'll fix that.
Definitely got the. Dang it. The rust is just poo.
What'd you break?
It's actually
Stuff.
On drive, it's what I scoring for you.
It looks like it's working.
How'd you go, Jordan?
Yeah, get the line.
That was pretty quick fixing, Dan.
Yeah, we tried.
We got steering again. I just need to do a quick wheel alignment again. I don't know what I hit, but we had a spare one. It's fixed. Yeah, a little bit right. Get there, love it. Right, we'll put a quick wheel alignment on it. We'll be good. I think maybe I've worked it out because the rim over there has a mark on the inside of it. And it hit here. You can see that's fresh on the inside. And I reckon that's a hit. Thanks, mate. Cheers. So I haven't worked out why it would have been. Enough lock. And our lock stops are so good and set up.
Bobby still wrecked it. There's
I
only
was
one
driving.
Bobby that's broken.
Like I was driving. I said that, I was driving. But I think this was turned enough because I was all over the show on the ripple strip. When I'm hard lock on the ripple strip, the car's bounced. When it's compressed, it probably smacked the tie rod with that wheel. Because it felt shite after that.
We'll put it to the viewers for a vote.
Look, I'm going to put up the footage now.
You tell us if Bobby stuffed it.
And look, I know I still can't drive. You don't need to tell me that. You just need to tell me what I did wrong. This will be helpful with him in the car with you, mate.
Yeah, I agree.
Faster! And then bring it back out because I haven't had my second qualifier.
I'll try.
My first qualifier was maybe 25th.
Are you happy to go very last qualifier?
Wait,
Everybody wants
very, yes. I was last time, stuffed it, threw it away. Right, good luck, mate.
Thanks.
I saw the wall for a little bit. I'm done, I gotta knock myself off. That was sick. I'll let Dan have a turn before I break it.
Fun fact, Dan made it to qualifying, to competition from qualifying. He came 23rd. Props to you, Dan. I didn't get in, Matt didn't get in. Dan's vlogging it over there. Get used to it, mate, because you're in competition.
Just a bit going on, really.
Do you have anything to dispute, considering you didn't get in the top 24?
I want to know if they were actually watching my run.
Beginner's luck, mate. You'll get him next time.
There's always another round.
Dan.
Maybe if you let me drive it, and then it was,
Oh, you said it was too much of a handful.
well, it was.
Was it hard?
It's hard to get seat time in it.
Stick to your aircon, mate. Dan's on. He said he'd warm up the tyres. He's warming them up. He's not on his door, but he's there. He's on lead. He's looking alright. Nice. Oh, it's good. Don't loop it now, me boy. We're all just excited because he didn't loop it. He's missed a gear. That sucks. Oh! We're out already. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, Dan.
I was like, if I learned from the other side.
I'm sorry to tell you, mate, I think he had you.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
I would expect him to.
Oh, he's back. He got kicked out of what round?
I think we're number 2.
Oh, nice. What do you have to say about that?
Well, as we heard earlier, the qualifying it was a lot tighter. I didn't say that. Yeah.
I didn't ask this, but why'd you put in first?
I was checking you're still there.
Because that's what...
Why do you put the commie in the hairpin wall? I don't know.
You put my guitar into the hairpin.
Oh, the boys aren't happy. The Dan hitting the wall won't be on camera, but
He walled the Pintara, so he walled his SS.
I'm just going to be pissed.